In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make crying effect on CapCut. This is a quick and convincing way to add realistic tears and a sad mood to a photo using CapCut's built-in tools. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along even if you're brand new to the app. First, open CapCut. If you're on mobile or desktop, the interface might look a little different, but the options are the same. Give the app a moment to load, and make sure you're in the main editing workspace. If CapCut asks for permissions to access your photos, allow it so you can bring your image into the project. Now add your image. Start a new project and select the photo you want to edit. Once it's on the timeline, position it so the face is centered and clearly visible. If the canvas doesn't fit your photo, adjust the canvas size or pinch to zoom until the face fills the frame comfortably without cropping off the eyes or chin. You can also set the clip's duration so it plays long enough to showcase the effect. A few seconds is usually perfect for a social post. Next, go to Effects and choose Body Effects. The Effects button is typically just above the timeline. Inside, you'll find categories. Open Body Effects because CapCut's Tear and Emotion overlays live there. These effects are designed to detect facial features automatically, which helps the result look more natural. In the search bar, type "sad" and apply it. You should see options that add teardrops, watery eyes, or a somber look. Tap or click the one you like, then apply it to your clip. If you want the effect to cover the entire photo duration, drag its edge on the timeline so it matches the length of your image clip. Most versions let you tweak settings such as intensity or opacity, lower it for a subtle, moody vibe, or increase it for dramatic, clear tears. If the effect doesn't perfectly align at first, make sure the face is upright, well lit, and not covered by hair or glasses. Adjust the photo's position slightly until the detection locks onto the eyes and cheeks where tears should appear. Play the preview to check the look. If the mood feels too heavy, dial back the effect strength. If it's too soft, bump it up or try a different sad variation. Once it looks right, you're done. That's the crying effect in CapCut. Simple, clean, and ready for your next post.